Hi guys, welcome to day 5 of our plastic-free challenge. And today's topic is toning lotions. So I use toning lotions daily because you use them after cleansing your face to help remove any cleansing, also to pH balance your skin. They help with oily skin, dry skin if it's the correct ingredients. So I'm using Immortelle Hydrosol at the moment, which is really good for my skin. And I use it, again, as I said, after cleansing and first thing in the morning. Make sure, of course, that it's encased in either tin or in glass, not in plastic. And also, again, look at the ingredients. Are they made from 100% hydrosols and essential oils, or are they made from floral waters, which usually have chemicals added? So check out your ingredients. Make sure it's in glass or tin. So I do hope you find that useful. Please feel free to ask any questions. Have a great day wherever you may be, and it's bye for now.